What's up, Paradise Crew?
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. It's been a while. Couple things. Thanks for everyone's prayers, thoughts. If you haven't been following along what's been happening, Eli's here.
We have a baby.
We have a baby.
A little baby boy.
Baby boy.
Very precious. Unfortunately, he's also at the hospital.
He is at the hospital. He is in NICU right now. We're going to see him. Well, first we're going to pick up some Starbucks. So we're about to go get some coffee because it has been part of our morning routine. We're on day 10 or day 11 in NICU.
Today's day 10. Day 10. He was born August 15th, and today is the 25th.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the 10th day.
It is the 10th day, so I felt like we should, I told Alyssa, like a lot of people are asking what's going on, we should probably update them now that things have gotten much, much better and we have significant news to share, so that is the positive news. He is 100% off of oxygen.
Yes.
Assisted oxygen, so
Well,
yeah.
He's breathing on his own.
He is breathing on his own. We'll tell you all the good things and then we'll tell you the story, like what the heck happened. How did we get here? And while we're doing that, we're going to put in a Starbucks order. It's a very casual video today, just an update. We're going to post this video on the YouTube, the main channel, so everyone knows what's going on. The Surfside channel family.
Surfside channel family.
Yep, I'm going to put in this order.
Okay, well, he's going to do that. I don't know. I guess I can talk over him, but I want to make sure that they can hear him.
Hey, good morning. Can I get a cold brew with non-dairy matcha foam? Grande,
and then the salted caramel cold brew.
Yeah, non-dairy.
You guys the other day.
Let's go.
Yeah, we've been here a lot.
Non-dairy for that one too, right?
Yeah, please.
No problem. Anything else for y'all?
No, that's it.
Awesome. We'll see you here.
All right, see you in a bit.
Well,
day 10.
that's
they,
embarrassing.
And they now know our order.
We've been to the Starbucks every
gosh.
morning. Okay. Anyhow, I just see the car pull around, and she's like, "I know exactly what you guys need." Anyhow, so back to. Oh, I guess I need to give you them.
Yeah, we got notes.
I'm gonna give you them. No, I meant
okay.
the app, so we can pay for it.
Hey,
Hi.
good
morning.
Good morning. You guys want straws? I don't remember that part. Sorry.
No straws. No straws.
No, thank you.
Do you want to use points? You don't have to. Just asking. Up to you.
Sure. You can use some points
Just
today.
use them for one drink.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank
All
you.
right, so instead of that 12.04, it's gonna be 5.62.
Look at that.
Go.
Yeah. Did you guys have a good weekend?
Yes, we did.
That's awesome.
How about you?
Super chill. Oh my goodness, I got to watch movies, catch up on some of my shows.
What's the shows and what's the movies right now?
I watched the newest Demon Slayer movie.
Oh.
It's really good.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, it's really good.
Oh,
and then I also watched K-pop Demon Hunters yesterday in theater.
I've been sitting on it. I've been waiting.
Oh man, guys, you gotta watch it.
Go for
it's
it.
for everybody.
I'll go
it's
for
not
it.
just for kids.
Okay,
like,
cool.
Literally, I think everybody should watch that movie.
I will watch it.
It's so good. And then I play a lot of games, but that's pretty much it. Like
What
I just have to
games
be rotting. There's this one called Abiotic Factor right now.
Okay.
And it's like Ark or Minecraft. Like
Okay.
you like gotta survive, but it's like creepy stuff. It's like kind of scary, you know. You gotta be. It's more challenging. That's why I like it.
Cool.
Colin loves that stuff.
I love all that stuff. Yeah. So she's like talking my language now. I'm like,
Yeah.
sweet.
You're all good. I like gaming. I'm like a homebody. I don't really go out a whole lot except for like yesterday. I played with my friend to the theater and stuff. But I'm trying to make more plans to go out and do stuff like that.
I got a message from my buddy Ty. He said we wanted to watch the movie, and then I got locked in with other stuff. So.
Yeah. What games do you like? Do you guys
we play a lot of Mario Kart,
Oh,
Super Smash
I was
Brothers,
gonna
stuff
play
like
Mario.
that.
yeah,
stuff,
Smash
yeah.
Bros. Who do you guys play?
Yeah. I play Smash Brothers.
Oh.
She's the Mario Karter, so
Okay.
she'll shut it down. She's good.
I liked playing Sephiroth when he came out, but
Okay.
I made Ike. He's just
Ike.
He's my guy.
He's OP.
He's
Just
my
OP.
guy. He's my guy. My partner was ranked in Tampa. PR.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's impressive.
He's Bayonetta Joker main.
Dang. Okay.
And
All
he
right.
plays like traditional fighters too, so like that's the only reason why I know anything about Smash and traditional
Okay.
fighters. Street Fighter, Guilty
Street
Gear,
Fighter, yeah, I'm
stuff
old
like
school,
that. Like,
MK.
that's the only reason why
Killer
I know.
Instinct? Yes,
What was
no?
that?
Killer Instinct? You know
I
about
know
that?
a little bit. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
cool.
got like Arbiter in it, right?
Yeah.
From Halo. Yeah. That one was actually sick. They need to make a new one of those.
They do.
Man, the new Capcom game is gonna be really good.
What new Capcom game?
There's a new Capcom tag team fighter like Dragon Ball Z. You gotta look into it, man.
All right, I'm looking into it.
Y'all have a great day. Okay?
You too.
Thank you too.
Nerding out. That was fun. That was a nice change of pace for me.
I have no idea what they were talking about at all.
Yeah.
I just
You know, some people in the chat, I think that follow the channel don't know that kind of aspect of me. So let me know if you game in the comment section below. If you knew what we were talking about, or you're like, yeah, you lost me. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, he's way nerdier than you think.
And we'll
he is.
see the differences between both channels, you know, just to see what they say.
That's true. Anyhow, back to our baby update. Sorry for all the nerdy talk. So, like Colin mentioned, Eli has been off of oxygen, which is great since last Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
So almost coming up on a full week without needing oxygen, which is awesome. Right now, he is just working on his feeding. And so yesterday was a great day.
Fantastic day.
The doctor has him every 3 hours. They want him to eat 65 milliliters preferably from the bottle, so they can know what they're getting. But the rest then goes in the feeding tube. And yesterday, before we left, he did 45. And that was the most that he's done.
Yeah, his record before was like 37. Right?
Well, he did 30 earlier. Yeah, but typically it was like around like 15, 20. And then even a couple days ago, it was like overnight, it was like down to like 8, so like he just wasn't being awake. It's kind of like tiring him out. And the reason for that is because he has what they keep saying is lower tone. So his muscles aren't as strong as they probably should be. And so he has to develop those. And so as he's working on eating, he's getting better at it. And he's also been nursing really well for the past 4 days. So I think yesterday he nursed for almost 40 minutes, which was amazing. And so I can't wait to go in today and do it again. He's also slightly jaundiced, but they just keep bringing that up just in case the levels go up higher. They haven't needed to treat him for that yet. So he's like under that point, but they're still watching it. And right now, at least as of yesterday, they keep going down. So we love to hear that too, because it's just one less thing that we have to worry about.
One less thing, but everyone's been supportive, helpful. We've got people sending us meals, which has been helpful. Uber Eats, our church knows, our friend group, life group knows. Everyone's in a circle, which has been really, really helpful. Some sleepless nights, don't you think?
Well, yeah, it's just very different.
The start
right?
was very challenging.
Everything's different, right? So we had, if you've never had a baby in the NICU, right? So you go and you have a baby, and then you have your baby with you at all times, right?
Yeah.
And so that's how we were with Noah, and it's just such a weird feeling to like
complete opposite.
To like leave and go home, and then he's not with us. I think that's like the hardest part, especially like as someone who carried him, and then you give birth and like he's gone. Yeah. And then it's just like it just feels so weird. But we essentially are at the hospital from like 10 to 7. Well, not 10, 11 to 7-ish.
Usually 10 to 7, like we, depending how Noah's doing in the morning.
Yeah, every day. And then, so we're there for 3 of his feeds. There as long as possible, but unfortunately, because we also have Noah, I mean, our parents are taking care of her, but she needs attention too.
Yeah, she needs love and attention too, so we're trying not to split it. In a perfect world right now, they'd be hanging out with all of us at the house, and we'd just be doing life
at the house.
But right now, we're making sure Eli has his needs, and then I stretch myself at night to make sure Noah has her needs. Yeah. But yeah, I figure like if you didn't see the post of what was happening, we can kind of walk through the story from start to finish to get everyone on the same page. Now that you have the good news that he is doing better. Eli was born August 15th. 1:59 a.m. in the morning, and so it was a bedside maid. What's it called?
Bedside maid.
Your birth maid?
My midwife?
Midwife.
I don't know if that's an
I don't get a lot of sleep.
I've never heard of that term, but maybe that's a thing.
Small side quest. Because I don't get a lot of sleep, there's a lot of information that I intentionally kind of like subconsciously just dump. And I can't remember, I was going to say bridesmaid, and then the bedside maid, and then there's a housewife, and then there's the lady who helped us. Her name's Jody. I know that's important. Yeah. But what's the job description?
She's our midwife.
Midwife. Our midwife has suspicions that Eli was showing signs of Down syndrome. He did test positive for Down syndrome, and so thankfully she did notice something, because she ended up sending us to our pediatrician sooner. Yeah, way sooner. She was like, yeah, like it's 1:59 a.m. See if they're open today, like Friday, to see if they could take a look, and instead of waiting over the weekend and you guys haven't been home on the weekend or getting into it Monday, let's go see them now. So we went to the pediatrician, and again, we did not know. We weren't ready for any diagnosis or anything like that. So the suspicion was helpful, and you'll see why. Is because once we brought him to the pediatrician, she said, "Oh, his temperature's dropping. I don't feel comfortable. We should probably get him to the ER."
Right.
And at that point, we took him to the ER, and that's when I guess I won't say like snowball effect, but like
a lot of things happened.
A lot of things happened really fast, and more so we get educated on the seriousness of the situation. Like his high pulmonary pressure was affecting his ability to breathe with his lungs,
Right.
and then we found out that he also had smaller developed lungs. He was 2 weeks early, you know, but he did have smaller lungs. That is a fact. He also had fluid in his lungs,
yeah.
which was making it difficult to breathe even more. And so, since he's a newborn, I know nurses, you guys probably know way more and how like the overcomplication of it. I'm going to simplify it the best I can, how I understood it, is that his little body could only focus on certain things at certain times
right.
because he's new. He's 10 seconds old. He doesn't know how to work all of it all at the same time. So it was his they said, let's just drop the temperature. Let's not focus on the lungs. Let's just focus on the heart. And so he was like, what's the word, crashing?
He was crashing?
I don't know. I'm saying I don't know the word, but like he wasn't doing well.
Well, no, he wasn't doing well on his own, which is why they gave him the oxygen to help.
Yeah.
So they supplemented with 100% oxygen after doing the his echocardiogram and his X-ray, just to make sure that that's what he needed. And he was essentially thriving on 100% oxygen.
Yeah.
So they knew that that's what he needed.
100%.
So then they did that for maybe a day or two, and then they kept testing his echocardiogram. Ended up from there dropping his oxygen like by 5% every hour until they got down to 21%, which is fun fact. If you don't know, that's what we breathe.
That's what we breathe.
I didn't know that, so I've been learning so much.
Yeah.
And before taking him completely off of the oxygen, they wanted to make sure that he was okay. Echocardiogram came back excellent. The doctor said all the fluid around his lungs were gone. He had like an enlarged part of like a thicker part around his one area of his heart. That was all gone because that was just caused by the PPHN. And so he said everything looks good. He has no heart defects, which is amazing.
Yeah, no heart defects.
So right now he is very healthy. No infections, no nothing. He is just working on his feeding.
And so we brought you full circle of what happened, and one day we'll look back at this, and Eli, if you're watching this one day, dude, you scared us.
Yes.
Jeez, brother.
And you're stressing us out a little bit.
Stressing out a little bit. If you're watching this, thanks for being a trooper, as you always are. And
yeah, she's gotten to see every day. My parents and his parents have brought her up, and she sings to her brother, and she's made several coloring drawings for her brother, and she read him a story a couple times. And so I think she's gonna be the best big sister. But she also gets very bored very quickly at the hospital. As you can imagine, she sees him, and she held him yesterday too. She did. She held him, and then she looks at him, and she goes, all done holding baby brother.
All done.
All done.
She sings her goodbye song.
Yeah, I was like, okay, that's fair. I mean, this is a lot, but she's, in my opinion, doing really well, because I will tell you, I planned and I thought about how I wanted them to meet, and how I honestly thought about, I don't want to exclude her on anything. I want her to feel loved and connected to all of this that's happening. This was obviously prior to going into the hospital, and then the Lord threw us a giant curveball. And this was not at all what I envisioned having the first 2 weeks of his life in any of our. Anyhow,
was it the bingo card? This was not
in our bingo card.
Not in our bingo card.
No. So she's adapting well, but I definitely saw this going way differently. And but all we can do is pray and keep going on with what we've got.
So yes, a couple questions. If you guys have them, write them in the comment section below. Thank you for all your patience. I have been uploading videos. Not a huge deal. I filmed a lot prior to
he actually
being
But you filmed the day.
I filmed the day he was born
Like
before he was born. I was like, Alyssa, I think I feel like I need to record a batch load for the channel, just like, you know, just to be there present with, you know, Eli and Noah.
Like just in case.
Yeah, just in case. Let me just knock those out. So we do have a couple more videos down the pipeline coming for you guys. I think we have 3 more this week, so you'll see one tomorrow and Thursday and Sunday, and then I think a couple more. But yeah, I don't know. Just wanted to show you guys, like, we're not back in it. Someone said, like, hey, you just got right back into it. I was like, no, I'm not right back into anything.
Yeah, these were planned ahead of time.
These were planned ahead of time, luckily. So, thankfully.
Well, I just think that it's so interesting. Like, even that day, like the 14th.
Yeah.
Like, you did that, and like I was like trying to get ready something. I was like, oh yeah, you know, just in case. And then hours later.
Yeah. That's why you probably haven't seen me talk about any current events. Star of the Seas,
right?
Carnival, nothing.
Yeah,
like
we've been a little.
So yeah, everything's been preoccupied. So, but we love you guys. Thanks for all your support. Again, we'll be updating you. Hopefully, we don't have to put another one of these videos out, and we can get back to.
Well, we might.
We might have to.
Well, no, I mean, like, maybe once he comes home.
Once he comes home,
which we're hoping is soon.
Yeah. So, but do us a favor before you jet. When you see those questions pop through and you feel like you know the answer to them based because you've watched this video, you go ahead and answer it. Just go ahead and answer it. That way we don't leave people hanging intentionally. So
yeah, we're not ignoring.
We're not ignoring you.
It's just been a lot.
It's been a lot. So
it's been a lot.
That's all I got. Go watch one of these fun videos about cruising, or if you're on the Surfside channel, about something fun. Alyssa's always got some fun stuff going.
Yeah. I have a few more videos that I need to put out, but I have to edit them. So
we might have to hire an editor for Alyssa. So
once I can come home,
yeah,
I might have some more time, because at least I don't have to be at do this. We're just going back and forth.
Ask them. Should Alyssa get an editor to help out with editing, just so she can just do the filming and the baby stuff and hang out with me?
Anyhow, we can't wait for you to meet
Eli.
Baby Eli, because he's already super precious.
Yeah, he's super cool. He keeps flirting with the nurses. They're like, hey, I just want to stay here. Stay here.
That is true.
Of course you do.
Of course you do.
Of course you do.
He's a great cuddler.
Yeah. All right. Peace.
Bye.